Hi guys, Laura Hudson here, talking about our wellness programs. I hope you're having a great Monday so far, and I know I'm coming in here a little bit earlier than normal, but I'll be doing these at 10 a.m. or around that time is the plan during this month. So I wanted to talk about the sleep kit. Last time we spoke about, I'm trying to remember, was it the wellness? I'm not sure. I think it was the respiratory kit. But this week I wanted to talk about the sleep kit because sleep is such um, a huge deal. If we don't get the sleep we need, we feel grumpy, we feel off, we don't feel focused. If we don't get the sleep we need, we feel irritable, short with people we care about. So let's talk about that and talk about how this kit can help. I'm going to share my screen and just show you how to find when you're logged into your account. You want to go to the shop tab here, and you'll see here this is actually highlighted the targeted wellness programs, but I would go to the shop tab and I would hit wellness programs here, or I'm just going to go here and click here. And I'll take you right to all of the wellness programs. So, except, hold on, sorry. I think it's because I'm trying to do two things at once. So shop, and I'll just hit shop now. So what's really cool about these, there we go. I'm really showing you well how this works. Okay. My mouse is jumping around today, so I apologize. I was there earlier. In this wellness program, here I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'll get this figured out. But in this wellness program, what's so cool is that you actually get, there, now it worked. That's strange. So you actually get lots of discounts on items that also help aid in that health concern. So for example, this is kind of cool. It explains how it works. This will show you that you just choose your program, you use your products. Each month you get a new kit. You'll start seeing results, repeat, pick up a new program. So we talked about respiratory last time. We're going to talk about sleep and wellness program this time. Go to Discover More, and we're going to look at what is in this kit. But pretty cool because I love how we can get discounts on additional products that we add. So, for example, this shows you each wellness program. So in the each one for the sleep. In the first one, we're going to get for $75. You're going to get cedarwood, which is really calming to the brain. Serenity, which is our sleep blend. Calmer, which is our children's blend for sleeping and calming. And then our Serenity restful soft gels, our mini bath salts, and our exclusive gift of a gratitude booklet. Sleep Kit 2 comes with Copaiba, Breathe, Petitgrain, Serenity, Magnolia Touch in a 4 ml, and the exclusive gift of a mini doTERRA Serenity body butter and another gratitude journal. The next sleep kit has lavender, bergamot mint, adaptive doTERRA Peace Touch, doTERRA Balance, doTERRA Serenity Calming Linen Mist, and then we get the calming bath oil, and again, the gratitude journal. So pretty cool. And then here are ways to customize your wellness program that actually are at a discount. So instead of paying $21.50 for your Serenity soft gels, you'll actually pay $17.20. Instead of paying $35 for bergamot, you're going to pay $28. Instead of paying $45 for Roman chamomile, you'll pay $36. Instead of paying $55 for vetiver, you'll pay $44, and so on. So these are just ways to actually get some really cool products that will help in your sleep, but at a discount. So just wanted to really point that out to you. I love how you can get these additional products that support that specific health concern at a significant discount. So don't forget, we have our special going on this month. Let me see if it shows up for me. Special offers. This is the one with the On Guard hand soap and the On Guard um, hand sanitizer. We also have the Citrus Summer Duo. Let me show that to you because this is really cool. These are oils you can't normally order. So if you have gotten these oils before in a special, you might want to pick them up. Maybe you've had them before and you love them. We have our red mandarin, we have our yellow mandarin, and both of these oils really smell great, are uplifting and great to diffuse. Uplifts the atmosphere. You can actually use them on your skin to cleanse and tone your skin. Also can be really good for the digestive system. That's the red mandarin. The yellow mandarin, again, uplifting, good for skin toning and balancing. When ingested, supports healthy respiratory and gastrointestinal health, and it also helps settle digestion when taken internally. So pretty awesome there. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought that was so cool that summer duo was out, and didn't want you to miss out on that. So create a great day, a great week. Next week we'll be in here again talking about another one of our wellness programs. If you have any questions about the wellness programs, comment below or feel free to message me, email me, Laura at afcessentials.com, and we will talk soon. Create a great day, guys. Bye-bye.